Okay, now we're gonna try to pull the car out of the snow. Let's see if it works, okay?
Okay. So this big, humongous lunch box is gonna try to go. I don't think he's making it. Woo! Saw that? Whoa, look at all that ice.
Okay.
We did it.
Yeah, I think we're good.
Whoa, look at all this. Look at all that snow. Damn it. Here's the little pumpkin, helping also. And let's go back to Daddy. Damn, look at all that snow. That's our house. Woohoo.
Crazy. You see the amount of snow?
Can I help?
No, it's okay. Keep.
Okay, I'm helping too. Hi. Dad,
What?
what's this for?
What?
This.
I just keep it. I just kept it because it's cute.
Cute.
Yeah.
Can I sit on top?
On top of what?
The car?
No, not yet.
Well, just to take off everything.
Oh, it's gonna fall apart by itself. Look at Lilu.
And this is our champion, Lilu.